WOLF stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So as I'm observing Wolfspeed, this thing started picking up, is like 40% up. Last time I made a video, it was like my bearish bias here, and here's me calling it out beforehand. This quick little short. There you go. And this video was made like a month ago, way before it actually happened. And now, since we're now in this new bullish range, not bullish, but it's still a bearish range. It's only going to be bullish. This is really what I wanted to say, is if it actually starts breaking above 805, but we're not there yet. And if the price reaches my supply and then gives me that proper shift, then and only then I'll actually take shorts. So I'm obviously not in a rush, and the only thing that I would actually act on here is if the price gives me the rules, and if it does not, then I really would not force anything. So if you really want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. So I want to hear your thoughts obviously down below. See you.